Hi everyone, it's Mishi B, and it's time for a story. Today I will be reading you a storybook from the Disney Babies series. Cuddle up comfortably, grab a blanket, and read along with me. Today's book is entitled, What's That Noise, Baby Daisy? A book about D words. Baby Daisy hears a noise. Is it the dog barking? No, the dog is drinking. Did the door slam? No, the door is open. Is baby Minnie's doll crying? No, baby Minnie's doll is sleeping. Is someone dancing? No, no one is dancing. But baby Donald is beating a drum. Rat-a-tat-tat, rat-a-tat-tat, rat-a-tat-tat. That must be the noise. The end. Name the things that begin with the D sound. Drum, door, dolly. Good job. Thank you for reading along with me. You did a really great job. It's fun to read books. Hope you enjoyed reading. Please click on the next video to see and hear more books. Happy reading! Remember, you are loved and appreciated. Have a great day.